Hey guys, Jarod down here with Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Used and Rig Ready Approves. And today we're going to take a walk around this beautiful used unit, guys, 2019 Ram 1500 Sport. So walking around, you're going to see you're going to get that beautiful kind of burgundy color in this one. You're going to get the 5.7 HEMI underneath the hood, so you have tons and tons of power, tons of tread left on the tires. Here's going to be mirror lights on this guy, keyless entry. Power running boards already installed. As you can see, you're going to get full leather seats in this one, guys. Taking a look into the rear seat here, as you can see, this one's going to be a quad cab, so you're going to lose a little bit of leg room, but you're still going to get 4 different charging ports back there, as well as an outlet. Walk around the back here, backup camera already installed. Tailgate's frozen, still frozen. So you're going to have bed liner in this one, bed rails, bed hooks, and bed lighting, guys, so that you can, strap down anything that you might need to. Right here is going to be your fuel cap, rear sliding window on this one. Take a look this way. You're going to have power windows on your back seat, blind spot detection, heated mirrors on this one. Into the driver's seat, you can see you'll have your dial wheel shifter, beautiful display auxiliary switches readily available to you, heated seats, heated wheel, vented seats, power mirrors. If this one interests you guys, give us a shout, 780-942-3629.